Hi everyone, it's Robin. I'm back with a project share for you. Over the weekend I was watching a live with Tmika, who Scrapdaworld, and she was making this cute little 6-box, I think she was calling it 6-compartment something another. I can't remember now. I will provide the link in the description box below to where you can go over and follow along with her tutorial as well. They were super easy to make, and I just had so much fun with this. But it looks like maybe she called it a purse. I can't remember now. But I used I'm still working on the snow and cocoa paper, trying to get that used up, and I thought, well, I'll just make something really cute and wintry looking to put some Happy Meal in. So on the front here, I've added some of the little chipboard pieces, 3 of the chipboard pieces, and just layered them up. And then on the back of this little piece, I just added some of the glitter paper. And then I'm still loving this furry trim that I found at Hobby Lobby before Christmas, and I just can't get enough of it. I just keep wanting to pet it. So I used that. One of the ladies that was in the chat had mentioned that maybe it would be a good idea to put little feet on here, like using flatback pearls or something, but I didn't do that. And when I finished with this project, I was looking at it and I thought, oh my goodness, that looks just like my Mary Kay makeup bag. The design of it and all, but it's just so cute. So let me show you what it does. You can see here that I've added Velcro for my closure, and then eyelets to put my handle on, and it just opens like this. Is that not precious? So Tmika didn't do this, but I did. I figured if I kept them flat that I could decorate each one of the little triangles. And so I'll start back here. I've just used some of the ephemera from the paper pad and paper collection, and then just added some gold touches on it because I'm in love with the gold. And then I used pink, white, and a real pale lavender little doilies that were in my stash there as well. And so you can just get a glimpse of each one of them, what they have on them. And so each one of the closures, I already have it filled with goodies, but each one of the closures are closed with just little Velcro. You can see that I won't pull all of the goodies out, but you can see that one popped open. You can see where I've just stuck little goodies down in there and closed it up with Velcro. And I actually had more in these when I was filling them, and then I realized that it wouldn't, you know, close up again for me, so I had to take some stuff out. And I had them in some different things, like this one here. See, I have just a bunch of random little goodies down in there, but I had these things in some little glass vials at first, and it just wouldn't close, so I put them in the little bags to be able to get more things in there, more goodies. But each one of them open like this, and see, I had to share some of that trim. Here's another one, some flowers. I think those are I Am Roses flowers. And then I shared some of the that trim that I love so much that I just got from Hobby Lobby. I had to share some of that as well, and tried to stay with within the color theme of the paper. So anyway, then it just rolls back up like this and closes right back up, and there you go. Is that not precious? I just loved it. So I'm wanting to make another one for someone here on YouTube to send to them as just a little surprise and fill it for them. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you all. Please go over to Tamika's channel at Scrapdaworld. No, I about did that. This is the second time that I've made this video, and I about said Scrapdaworld, and I actually did in the first video, but it's Scrapdaworld. Everyone should know who Tmika is because she's amazing, and she's been here on YouTube forever. So, Tmika, if you're watching, thank you so much again for sharing your incredible talent with us and for doing this live and all. I really enjoyed it, and I had so much fun talking with the ladies and making this as Tmika was making it. So, thanks again. Talk to you guys later. Bye.